Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the safe check, and then place tape on the site immediately. Do this now. Once the tape is secure, align its lower edge with the site base so your reference line is consistent. Make a small, precise center mark where the site post aligns. This is your baseline. Note the distance to your target and the range setting you plan to use because that baseline is how you'll compare all later shifts. Keep movements small. Accuracy beats big corrections. Once you have a baseline group, fire a controlled 3 to 5 shot group at a known distance to measure point of impact shift. Compare that POI to your baseline mark and translate the difference into clicks or tape movement. Use 0, 5 or 1 click equivalents as your unit. Move the tape mark incrementally and repeat another group to verify the change. Make sure to record each adjustment and result so you can backtrack if needed. Consistency across groups. To finish, secure the final tape position with a tiny drop of clear adhesive and trim any overhang so it won't catch. Then confirm your 0 by firing multiple groups at your primary distance and at one other distance. Consistency means you're done. If impacts remain inconsistent, double-check the site mount torque, your shooting position and support, and that the tape sits perfectly flush. These are common causes. If issues persist, revert to your baseline mark and reevaluate each step slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.